In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Afterpay to Stripe in this 2025 tutorial. This step-by-step guide will help you smoothly integrate Afterpay into your Stripe account, which is a fantastic way to offer more flexible payment options to your customers. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your Stripe account. Head over to the Stripe website and log in with your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where your journey begins. Familiarize yourself with this page, as it's the central hub for managing your Stripe account. Next, you'll want to locate the Settings option. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu. This is where you'll find various options to configure your account. Click on the Settings option to open the page that contains all your account settings and configurations. After you're in the settings, you'll need to navigate to the Payments section. This section is critical because it manages how you interact with customers monetarily. By clicking on Payments, you open up the wide range of payment configurations available to you as a Stripe user. From the Payments page, your next step is to find and select payment methods. This step is essential. It allows you to control which payment avenues are available to your customers. Once you're in the Payment Methods section, you'll see a list of all the different payment options you can manage through Stripe. Now, look for the Afterpay/ClearPay option. Afterpay, known as ClearPay in some regions, is a popular payment installment service that consumers love for its convenience. Finding it on your list of payment methods may take a moment, but it's crucial for the integration process, so make sure you select it once located. With that done, you are now ready to turn on Afterpay. You'll see an option to turn on Afterpay or ClearPay, which activates this payment method for your Stripe account. Click on this option to enable it. It may take a moment, but soon Afterpay will be available as a payment option for your customers, promoting a more flexible shopping experience. Once you've enabled it, you'll see confirmation text that reads enabled or active. This indicates that Afterpay is now ready to be used by your customers. Take a moment to ensure everything appears as it should. These details are crucial for smooth operation. Congratulations! You've successfully added Afterpay to your Stripe account. By providing your customers with more flexible payment options, you're not only enhancing their shopping experience, but also potentially increasing your sales. Remember, always keep your payment methods updated and ensure your settings are configured correctly to make the most out of Stripe's robust features. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to help you maximize your business's potential.